If you like Canadian cars, especially Canadian classic cars, this is the right video for you. Today we have Saqar and his 1965 Meteor Montcalm. So Saqar, tell us all about it.
Hi everybody, this is my 1965 Meteor Montcalm. Mercury and Ford started making this car in 1965, and this was a Canada-only model. You see here, this is the logo at the time for the Meteor Montcalm. This is the emblem here. It has the wire wheels on it. Has a very, very recognizable square rectangular shape. Very sharp angles on it. The outside body of it is the same as the Mercury, but the interior is from the Ford Galaxy, and as I said, this is a Canada-only model. Made about 560, 580 models of these in the convertible. The engine on this car is a 390 FE, 300 horse, 427 torque. Comes with the canvas roof. And yeah, I bought this car about 3 years ago, started restoring it, and slowly more work needed to be done. We took the body off the frame, did the floors, redid the frame rails, new bushings, everything from bottom down. So let's see a little bit of the interior here. So this car has new carpets. It has wind-up vent windows. It has power windows, power steering, power seats. And let's start it up. Take down the top. A cool feature I really like is the indicator lights over here. If you see here, it shows you the arrows and the lights. You just pull here, pull back more for the full beam. And then here you have the parking brake release. And it has air vents. So you open these and you get wind coming down from under you. And let's take a look under the hood. So this is the 390 FE that Ford made. It's really just a big truck engine, and it has a lot of torque down low. Revs only about 5,000 or so RPM, and gets this big girl running. Let's take a walk around the car. Here, as you see, the Montcalm logo. And I custom made these seals here for the rubber to hide the space between the body and the bumper, because you can't get these parts anymore. You go to the back. Here you have the Meteor logo and another small Montcalm logo. The car is finished, it's been repainted in Rangoon red, and the interior is the same interior, as I said, as the Ford Galaxy. It's wide on maroon, matches really nicely with the Rangoon red. So let's go for a little drive. And the great thing is you see exactly where the corners of the car are, because you have the raised corners on the marker lights. My favorite thing is going over speed bumps, because you just bounce, you don't feel them. Goes pretty fast for an old car. You see a lot of Mustangs, a lot of Camaros, but you don't see anybody restoring the full-size family cars. And these are very, very comfortable cars to cruise around in. you do have to anticipate a turn and plan ahead, because it handles like a bus. But when you're in a straight line, you don't feel the road. And so far we ran through about 20 bucks of gas. Well, you don't drive this often, so it's okay.
Remember, Parts Avatar has got your back, so don't forget to subscribe to the Parts Avatar channel so you don't miss any of these exciting videos.